Welcome everyone. Question on polymer. Monomers of nylon 2, nylon 6 are. Choices are A. Propanol and acetone, B. Glycine and aminocaproic acid, C. Glycerol and phthalic acid, D. Ethanol and butane. Answer is B. Glycine and aminocaproic acid. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is glycine and this is aminocaproic acid. N molecules of glycine reacts with N molecules of aminocaproic acid to form nylon 2, nylon 6. Thank you for watching this video.